Okay. Magandang umaga, Philippines. Great day. I want to acknowledge you for taking the time from your very busy schedules. I know many things are going on in every one of the branches all over the Philippines. Very exciting developments are occurring this first quarter of 2010. And I'd like to take this time to introduce to you a program. I would like to call it the secret to support you in your success. What do we call this? The SSS. Secret to supporting your success as a professional in IEL Institute, in IEL International. This is what I will be introducing to you today. It's a development support approach for your career. Because whether you've been in the company for 1 month or 1 year or 3 years, what we're looking at is how can you be supported in your journey? What can HR, what can IEL as an organization support you? And so today, we are launching this program that will support you. The program goes like this. We will be broadcasting or podcasting to you a segment like this. It's a discussion point. I am starting it as president of the organization. And later on, other officers like Ms. Cookie, Engwa, and other officers, the operation heads from the various branches, will be asked to lead discussion points. And so the discussion point begins today with the book on A Sense of Urgency by John Kotter. It's a great book. And so what I'll be talking to you about this today is to see a format that you will use to discuss it, to talk about it, and more important than that, to bridge together in a very practical way how you can apply these principles in your job, in your career, and definitely in your life. So we're looking at the practical approach, but at the same time, bridging together practice together with great theory. Because it is these frameworks working together, we believe that will create sustainability for your career. So how will the process work? First of all, isn't the title great, A Sense of Urgency? I know many and all of us are working very hard, and I want to congratulate you for your results in marketing, in collections, in academics, in visa processing. We're all getting ready for the expos that are being set up for this year, and we're launching the first one in April 2010. And I personally believe that a key element of that success, and we want to sustain it, is said very aptly by the title of John Kotter, A Sense of Urgency. Now, what is the process framework? The process framework is that there are a total of 9 chapters to the book. And what will happen is that after today's overview, my proposal is that every week, once a week, set a time in your particular branch, let's say Saturday afternoon, or if that's busy for marketing, maybe do it Monday morning at 9 a.m. Set a time once a week, and we will broadcast for you a discussion. So we'll start off with chapters 1 and 2. And I'm going to ask Ms. Cookie Engwa to lead that. The title of chapter 1, it all starts with a sense of urgency, complacency, and false urgency. So it will distinguish what are the secret tools in a way to ensure your success. That's what we're looking at. Because the key to success, I personally believe in my own personal life, and a key to fulfillment is continuous growth, continuous learning, continuous development. That is the key. And with that, there is that support using your branch process. And so HR through Ning Ning will set up the mechanism. And then you will be assigned to read the chapters ahead of time as much as possible. That's one. And then second, allocate a maximum of 30 minutes. For this 30 minutes, have a group discussion. Start it off with the video, and then have a group discussion wherein the leader of the broadcast will ask you specific questions to discuss after you've read the chapters. Now, how long will this take? I'm proposing 30 minutes per session, and with that 30 minutes, not so much reading, but really a discussion of the chapters. How long will it take altogether? For this book, given 9 chapters, I'm proposing you start off with 2 chapters per meeting. So with that, it will be finished in 1 month. Okay? If you want to have more time, that's also possible. Then you will finish in approximately 2 months. So I leave that up to you. And definitely the key here is apply it in your jobs, apply it in your personal lives, and share it. Now, at the end of the process, HR will be expecting a summary report of your discussion and learning. Just email it. How you do that is during the discussion, have someone document it straight into a computer, and at the end of the session, just email it. So we have a sense of what's happening in every branch. Now, if for whatever reason one person is absent, then that person can just do it on his or her own, and that person will then send it all together. Okay? So that's the program, and it's a ladderized program, and I'm sure it will be a fun program. So happy journeying, happy learning.